Hi, for today we're going to make a do-it-yourself paper minion. Make sure that you have the right and complete materials with you. First, grab a yellow paper and then make sure you make a cone shape, just like what I'm doing. There we go. Then apply some glue to the side so we can close the gap of our cone shape. There we go. And simply close it just like that. And you can see the cone shape already. Next, grab a blue paper and fold it into half. There we go. And then make this shape. It looks like a mounting shape. And then we'll be using a scissor to cut it. All right. Rather, actually, a U shape. Make sure it's like a U shape and then cut it using a scissor. There we go. Be careful using the scissor again. Make sure you have an adult to help you. The next step can get tricky, so make sure you follow what I'm doing. You cut the paper, all right, just like that, but not too much. There we go. And done. And if you're having trouble cutting the paper, you can always rewatch the video if you want. Now, we need to place the blue paper to our yellow cone or yellow paper by applying glue. There we go. Now place the blue paper around it, wrap it around. Take your time, make sure everything is perfectly glued. There we go. Same goes to the other side. Same goes with the other side. All right. Make sure everything is secured, okay? Add some glue here to this area. Wrap it around the cone. Same goes with the other one. All right. Don't forget to cut the excess paper below it. Take your time cutting the excess paper and be careful. Take your time cutting the excess paper again. All right. Same goes with the other side. There we go. Carefully cut the paper or the excess paper. And done. Moving on to the other one. There's an excess paper here also, so let's not forget to cut it. Same goes with this one. All right. Now, can you already see the minion? Of course, we need to add some eyes. Get a black paper and wrap it around. Then get a pair of doodly eyes and use some glue. Apply some glue and place it on top of the black paper. Same goes with this one. All right. We're almost done making our minion. Then make a happy or smiley face. There we go. By just applying glue. Then grab a black paper and cut it like this. All right. Make sure it's a small portion. Like I said, if you're having trouble again with this one, you can ask your parents to help you. There we go. Take your time and make sure it looks like a comb. There we go. This will actually serve as the hair of our minion. Cut the excess paper again. Then wrap it around the head of our minion by using glue. There we go. We're almost done. Just apply the hair. And now, simply just fix it with a glue or just gently bend it downwards. Just like what I'm doing. All right. And we're done making our do-it-yourself minion.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.